Alright, this is Lily Kim. My directory definitely didn't go like quite as well as I would have liked it to, although it also went a lot better than I feel like it could have. So it's pretty simple, honestly. I would like to add more to it in this next week, but basically I've got it titled Cmci Directory, and then I just have these little columns um, so you can see what year they were in it. I was thinking maybe I should do the cohort number instead, but I don't know. For me, I just like if I hear what number they're in, I don't know, like I have no real idea of when that is. So I like the years for that reason. You can see I've got A to Z, so it just switches every time. First, last, so, and then you just kind of scroll down, and then for the ones where there weren't any, I just put like null because I don't know, I thought it was funny, like a coding thing, but I don't think it's really that funny. Um, Down here, then I put, like, not surprisingly. For this one, I put W as in wow, zilch, zero, zip. I don't know, I kind of just was having fun figuring it out and looking at how to make it really work at all. I definitely struggled with this at first. And then I will add a link to this, but here is basically my GitHub page with all my code in it. And I'm trying to think. I think that is mostly what I had. Oh, I have this search bar, which I got, from the example that she gave, but I can't get it to work. I know a lot of people in class were saying they couldn't also. But yeah, I think I'd like to keep working on it for this week, but this is what I've got so far. Okay, thanks.